Hello, and welcome to our lesson on Developing the Schedule, Part 3. This segment will cover consolidating the schedule components. In the previous two lectures, we have covered the following resources and time management processes to develop the project schedule. Defined time management approach and documented it in a schedule management plan. Defined activities by decomposing work breakdown structure work packages into smaller components representing activities and tasks, and included that in an activity list with all the attributes we need to maintain for each activity. Then sequenced activities by applying the precedence diagramming method, determining relationships and their types between activities to form the logical sequence of work for the project, and represented that in a project schedule network diagram that includes all project activities and their sequence. Then we defined the resources management approach, estimated resources and durations using different estimation techniques, and determined the critical path. Now we are ready to consolidate, analyze, and optimize the project schedule. We will focus on consolidating the schedule, analyzing and optimizing the schedule by applying the schedule compressions and resource leveling techniques to meet the project time objectives and constraints, and baselining the schedule. Developing a comprehensive schedule involves more than just listing activities, durations, and required resources. It necessitates a holistic approach considering various factors such as project calendars, working days, holidays, project team members' calendars, and time constraints. In crafting a realistic schedule, it's imperative to integrate all these elements seamlessly. Project calendars outline the working days available for the project, considering weekends, public holidays, and any specific organizational policies regarding work hours. By aligning activities with the project calendar, you ensure that the schedule reflects the actual time available for work. Moreover, accounting for holidays and other non-working days is crucial to avoid overestimating the project's timeline. Failure to consider these factors might result in unrealistic expectations and missed deadlines. Once all these components are incorporated, the next step is to assign start and finish dates to each activity. However, this process can reveal discrepancies between the proposed schedule and the project's time objectives and constraints. These constraints could include deadlines imposed by stakeholders, contractual obligations, or dependencies on other projects. If the initial schedule doesn't align with these objectives and constraints, adjustments must be made to ensure feasibility. This might involve redistributing resources, resequencing activities, or renegotiating deadlines. The goal is to create a schedule that balances efficiency and achievability. Regular monitoring and adjustment are essential throughout the project lifecycle to keep the schedule on track. By continuously evaluating progress and adapting to changes, project managers can ensure that the schedule remains realistic and achievable. Ultimately, a well-crafted schedule serves as a roadmap for the project, guiding its execution while minimizing risks and maximizing efficiency. Project calendars serve as the basis for scheduling and time management within a project, delineating the working days and hours available for project activities. The project manager's initial task is establishing a customized project calendar that outlines the working parameters over the anticipated project duration. Unlike standard calendars, project calendars are tailored to each project's specific needs and nuances, accommodating various factors that influence work schedules. For instance, in mega projects, where timelines are stringent and round-the-clock operations are often necessary to meet ambitious deadlines, project calendars may reflect a 24-hour, 7-days-a-week schedule. Conversely, road maintenance or IT system upgrades might be constrained to weekends due to operational requirements or to minimize disruptions to regular business operations. Similarly, corporate projects typically adhere to traditional work hours, operating 8 hours a day for 5 days a week. However, in global projects involving teams spanning multiple time zones, the project calendar must consider diverse working hours, weekdays, and weekends to accommodate the availability and synchronization of team members worldwide. Moreover, project calendars must meticulously account for official holidays, varying across regions and cultures, and may require adjustment for lunar calendars, where holidays fluctuate annually. This level of detail ensures that project schedules accurately reflect the available working time, mitigating the risk of scheduling conflicts, delays, or resource shortages due to overlooked holidays or cultural observances. Ultimately, crafting a tailored project calendar is indispensable for effective project planning and execution, providing the framework for aligning resources, managing time constraints, and delivering successful outcomes in diverse project environments. Consolidating the scheduling entails the project manager, often aided by the project team or scheduling specialists, inputting the start dates for activities commencing at the project's outset and determining their finish dates based on the duration of each task. This meticulous task involves updating the activity list and following sequencing activities, considering durations and interdependencies between functions with each activity's start and finish dates. While this approach is fundamental, it can become challenging and prone to errors, especially in projects with numerous activities. Furthermore, as the project progresses, maintaining the integrity of such a schedule becomes increasingly demanding, especially when faced with the certainty of schedule modifications or adjustments, which are commonplace occurrences in dynamic project environments. To streamline this process and mitigate potential complexities, leveraging project management software emerges as a highly advantageous solution. Such software automates and expedites the entire schedule development and management process. By inputting parameters such as task durations and dependencies, the software swiftly calculates and establishes finish dates for subsequent activities and start and finish dates for successor activities. Additionally, it seamlessly computes the project's ending date, considering all factors and constraints. This accelerates the scheduling process and enhances its accuracy and adaptability in the face of changes. Furthermore, project management software offers a comprehensive suite of tools and features to facilitate efficient schedule management. These include Gantt charts for visualizing project timelines, critical path analysis to identify tasks crucial to project completion, and resource allocation tools to optimize resource utilization. By centralizing scheduling and providing real-time updates, project management software empowers project managers to control project schedules, anticipate potential bottlenecks, and swiftly address deviations from the planned timeline. Ultimately, leveraging technology in schedule development and management streamlines processes and enhances overall project efficiency and success. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. In the next segment, we shall continue discussing consolidating the schedule components. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening, and see you on our next segment.